There is a growing demand in the market for professionals who understand SAP automation using Tosca. I have been receiving multiple requests to create structured content around this, especially from QA engineers who want to move into this space. So, this playlist is my answer to that. If you are a beginner or someone working on SAP project but new to automation or want to build this from scratch, this series is designed for you. Welcome to Corporate IT Education. My name is Abhishek, and in this playlist, I'll take you step by step through SAP automation using Tosca, starting from the basics, moving towards a real-time end-to-end business flows. Now, let me show you how this course content is structured so you get an idea. So, we are going to start from the basics, in which we are going to understand what is SAP, what are the different access methods, in terms of Tosca and SAP, how to install, how to download, how to get the training license, and how to get started with that. Once the basics are built, we are going to get started with what Tosca has to offer, the basic automation of all the different sections of SAP. So once that is covered, we are going to understand how to scan the SAP part. Then we are going to design end-to-end workflows. So even if you do not have any idea about SAP, this playlist is going to give you that idea. Okay. Then we are going to understand about buffers, how to fetch order numbers dynamically, VA02, VA02 using dynamic part, VA03. Now currently I'm going to have these 15 videos in this playlist, and if the content is liked and if there is enough demand for that, I'm going to start adding more videos in this playlist as well. Now make sure you follow this step by step in terms of how it is designed for you to get the maximum out of it. It is a beginner friendly series. So we are not going to directly jump into complex automation. We'll build the base first, and that's how you gain confidence in terms of automation. Now, if you're watching this and planning to move into SAP automation, comment below and let me know, are you a manual tester, an automation engineer, or completely new to SAP? I would love to know where you're starting from. And also, if you find the series helpful, make sure you like the video. It helps the content reach more QA professionals like you. And let's build SAP automation skills step by step. Subscribe to this playlist and do watch the all the different 15 videos which are going to get launched on a day-to-day basis. In case you want to become a member of my channel, make sure you click on that join button in the video below and you'll be able to access all the content at once. Thank you very much. My name is Abhishek from Corporate IT Education and wish you all the best for your learning journey. Bye bye.